Bullish die cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.80 by 2030. Market experts accept die could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. Die presentation. Die has entered the crypto market as an extraordinary and important token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the creator convention. Assuming you're interested about the cost of die, look no further. In this die cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of die, from the ongoing cost to most extreme value, die cost today, normal estimate cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether die is probably going to be a wise speculation for what's to come. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed die cost conjecture. What is die? Die is a digital money resource sent off as the very first security-supported, decentralized cryptographic money. Die is unique in relation to different monetary standards in the crypto market, not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. Die endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the Producer Convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. Die can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named an ETH, the local money of Ethereum. How does die function? Collateralized credits are a way for a moneylender to utilize resources they own to get a credit. These collateralized credits have an essentially lower financing cost than conventional unstable advances, as moneylenders can seize and sell resources in the event that the borrower can't reimburse their advance. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the Creator Convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thusly, used to create new DAI tokens as credits. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay an expense and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's inventory can't be adjusted by any gatherings. A proper stock is kept up with through a perplexing arrangement of brilliant agreements, which answer ongoing business sector changes in the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was authoritatively sent off in 2017 on the Producer Convention made by the Creator Establishment. The organizer behind Producer Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the venture, proposing to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out credits. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is administered by MakerDAO, which took over from the Creator Establishment. DAI specialized examination. Any DAI cost expectation needs to consider the exceptional position the DAI token holds in the crypto market. Like other digital currencies, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move, yet what separates DAI is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown distinct fascination with purchasing DAI on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and proficiency like other cryptographic forms of money, however stays away from the cost unpredictability, an innate gamble factor. As a stablecoin, DAI is an important token for making a solid venture and keeping away from high instability periods that storm the open crypto market. Regarding whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can and differs, however its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that preferably, DAI's cost shouldn't change a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an ill-conceived notion for the coin. Nonetheless, DAI's cost could in any case vacillate, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own exploration prior to going with a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is as of now worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.00% as of now with an exchanging volume of $95,652,521. DAI is right now positioned 11 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,846,219,777 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DAI Value Forecast 2022. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.50. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the DAI's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI value expectation 2025. Assuming DAI effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, DAI has a greatest value worth of $5.50. DAI value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. DAI value expectation 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2028. DAI value expectation 2029. By 2029, DAI will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI value forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest DAI cost in 2030 is projected to be $9.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.40. And, generally speaking, obviously producer convention is supported by an imaginative